As you guys know, I love Ridgid products, so it's only right that I unbox another Ridgid video for And today, as you can see, I have this 6-gallon compressor kit with 3 guns. Oh, that's 4. 3 guns. All right, with 3 guns. As you guys know, I love Ridgid products, so it's only right that when I buy a new Ridgid product, I have to do an unboxing for you guys and show you what I'm working with. And today we have the 6-gallon compressor with 3 different guns inside this bad boy. We're gonna open it up, see how bad they are, see what they're capable of doing. I saw this beautiful kit in my inbox and I was just like, let me go check it out. And I went there and of course, I had to buy it. But anyway, guys, if you're new here and you want to see more tool reviews and also DIY projects, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join the K-Face gang, all right? Welcome to the team, and let's get this bad boy open, show you guys what's inside, and show you what we're capable of doing with these guns. Don't forget, whenever you buy a Ridgid tool, all you have to do is register it for a lifetime warranty, parts and service, guys. First, we have this 6-gallon, feels like 50 pounds. Woo. 150 PSI is the max on this bad boy here. Yeah, let's put that right there. Let's see what else comes in the box, all right? You also get a 25-foot hose. And this right here, ladies and gents, is the 18-gauge brad nailer. See that bad boy? Let's see who's next. All right, I'm gonna go with this one on this side, ladies and gentlemen. And up next we have the finish stapler. Of course, the big, the bad finish nailer. All right, okay. Whoop, there we go. Ladies and gents. Feel like I'm a 00 agent. This is a 16-gauge straight nailer finisher. I did not buy any nails for this one, so I don't think I'm going to be testing this one out today. I'll show you guys the other 2 though. I just wanted to get my project finished. I wasn't thinking about this. But if you guys want me to do a video on this though, all you have to do is comment below and I'll do a video on this whenever you watch it. All right, guys, so let's walk through a couple things on this bad boy right here. I'm outside. Look, I have to enjoy this weather while it lasts. If you're from New England, you know what time it is. But anyway, let's get right into this bad boy. This is a 6-gallon, 150 PSI tank, all right? And let's start with the power switch, the on-off button. It's on the side. It's a red button right here. I don't know if you can hear that click, but that's very firm. Sturdy. Let's not use that word. Anyway, moving on. As I said, we have the hose. Let me take that off. I don't know why I put it up there. On the top here, we have 2 regulator valves, all right? One's for the tank pressure and one's for the outlet pressure, all right? This knob right here controls the pressure, so you can set this, decrease it, increase it if you want. This is a regulator valve, all right? And then, of course, we have the safety valve here. This is for emergencies, the emergency valve. If you want to release the pressure inside, you know, you pull on this pin. It just made a small noise just now. I don't know if you could hear that, but anyway, if you did, good. We have 2 hookups here, connectors, whatever you want to call them. If you and somebody else you're working, you can hook them up, or you got 2 machines, you want to use one, vice versa, you without switching hoses, or, but then that's just a lot of hose. Anyway, yeah, that's it for on top here, guys. But we also have the release pressure valve. It's under. Can you see it? It's right here. All right. Of course, when it's up, the pressure stays in. When it's down, you let the pressure out. On and off. So right now it's off. Push it down, like straight down to the ground. It's on. Releases the pressure inside the tank. All right. So we don't have all that extra buildup. That's it for this bad boy. And of course, the power cord. Power cord. Without power, what are we? Well, of course, let's walk through a couple things on the gun here. Of course, we have the connector where you hook up the hose so the pressure comes in. All right. We have the trigger. Okay, there we go. It's set for 1 right now, but all you gotta do if you want to change that is lift it up, turn it. Ooh, and if you realize the trigger just went back a little bit there. All right. And of course, you have the safety on this bad boy. You have to be pressing in or applying pressure, because if you just squeeze it, it's not going to happen. You got to apply pressure. But then again, we have to put some air on it. All right. And of course, we have the depth controller right here. This knob, can you see it? This orange knob right here. Rotate, rotate, rotate. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to show you how powerful this bad boy is right now. And of course, to load a bump, squeeze this orange gadget right there. Put your nails up here. Lock it up with the ear on, and you're ready to go. Let's move on to this finish stapler. And of course, it's pretty much the same, guys. If you want to hook it up to your waist or whatever, we have this clip right here, or somewhere, hang it up. Boom. Fire it up. Insert it, and you hear that click. Once you hear that click, you should be good to go. All right. To release, all you have to do is pull back, and it ejects. Got me some staples right here. Squeeze trigger, pull down. Load them up. Make sure. I don't know if you can see that real quick, but can you see it? Open. Put a bad boy in. And the pressure on these guns, you have to have it between 70 to 125 thereabout. So let's start at 70. I have a 1/2 inch piece of ply here from my project this morning. As I said, you have to apply that pressure first before you hit the trigger. If you hit the trigger, nothing's gonna happen, all right? Right now, the depth is set at its deepest, and we are on 75 coming from the tank. So let's see, okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Yes, baby. That's one. Let's go. Ooh, look at that. Hold on. Let's rotate. Let's go a little deeper. See how deep we could go. That's on the top right there. Let's go. We just went a little deeper. Ooh, baby. All right, so it's at the deepest right now, all right? Apply some pressure. Wow, look at that. None of these bad boys are above surface. It's my neighbor's dog, I'm sorry. Let's go commando, baby. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Whoa, I am in love with this finished stapler. Let's try the brad nailer. First, we're gonna go single, and then we're gonna go full automatic, all right? Yeah, like we're fire a gun out there. Let me stop. But anyway, let's apply some pressure here. Pull down, insert, lock. I have another piece of plywood here, but it's too long for this demonstration purpose, so. All right, that was the first one, of course. And the depth is not set to the deepest. So let's go to the deepest. Let's see what the second one's like. Ooh, that's below surface. That's below surface. Can you see that? Yes. Yes. That's single shot, ladies and gents. Let's rotate and go rapid, all right? As I said, pull up and turn. Ready, aim, let's fire. I'll probably turn the pressure up under it some more so we can sink them a little more. But most of them went down. I guess I was pulling up too quick. But anyway, this is definitely gonna be working for my project today. And as you can see, it's very tight. All I'm gonna have to do is apply some glue so we can have that proper finish and get these bad boys done. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this quick video on these two Ridgid guns, definitely leave a comment down below and I'll get the other one up for you guys, all right? We're making videos. Make sure you like this one, all right? Appreciate it. Thank you guys for sticking through to the end of this video, and since you're here, I know you love the content, and I love you loving the content, and I appreciate you, so just hit that subscribe button for me, all right? And because you stuck to the end of this video, I have a special announcement for you guys, all right? Make sure you follow me at Instagram at my party rental page, because I'm gonna be renting these bad boys. If you're in the tri-state area, hit me up. We're gonna be renting these along with other backdrops and marquee letters. Thank you guys so much. This is Life with K-Face, guys. I appreciate you. I'm gonna get the rest of these done for the day, and I'll show you guys on my Instagram. So yeah, make sure you go over to Instagram right now and follow me at my business page, which I'm going to put in the description below. All right. Thank you guys very much. Again, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video soon, sometime soon. Yeah.